Number 1. Introducing the 1950 Plymouth P20 Deluxe, a beautifully preserved example of post-war American automotive design. With 70,000 miles driven, this classic features a Flathead 6 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The car's striking turquoise exterior and interior make it a unique find, highlighting the charm of the era. In excellent condition for its age, it has new tires and is noted for being a matching numbers vehicle, adding to its authenticity and value. This Plymouth offers a fantastic opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts looking to own a piece of automotive history. Priced at $8,500 and located in Rardon, Ohio, it's a great addition to any classic collection. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 2. Introducing the 1947 Dodge two-door sedan, a post-war classic with character and style. Powered by a 231 CI Flathead 6-cylinder engine and 3-speed manual transmission, this car has 59,001 miles on the odometer. The vehicle has undergone significant mechanical restoration, including a rebuilt engine, transmission, and rear end, plus new brakes, clutch, and wide whitewall tires. While the original interior is in poor condition, the car runs and drives dependably and even completed a 1,000-mile trip recently. This Dodge sedan presents a remarkable blend of history, reliability, and potential for restoration. Priced at $9,000 and located in Maryville, Tennessee, it's a solid project for those who appreciate classic vehicles with historical significance. For additional details, visit the link in the description. Number 3. Introducing the 1961 Chrysler Imperial Crown, a rare and luxurious sedan from the early 1960s. With only 65,000 miles, this vehicle is powered by a 413 CUN V8 engine and an automatic transmission, offering both performance and comfort. The car features a white exterior paired with a two-tone pink interior, giving it a unique and stylish look. Notable options include power windows, power seats, and a rear air conditioning system. While the vehicle is not currently running and requires complete restoration, its solid body and original features make it an excellent candidate for a full restoration project. Priced at $5,000 and located in Arlington Heights, Illinois, this Chrysler Imperial Crown represents a fantastic restoration opportunity. For more information, please refer to the link in the description. Number 4. Introducing the 1961 International Scout, a rare first-year production model of this iconic off-road vehicle. With only 1,000 miles driven, this Scout is powered by its original engine and transmission. Its rugged yellow exterior with a beige interior gives it a distinctive, classic off-road appearance. Though the vehicle is currently not running, it is free of significant rust and comes equipped with new BFG mud-terrain tires, making it ready for restoration. This 1961 International Scout offers a solid foundation for any off-road enthusiast looking for a restoration project. Priced at $7,500 and located in Long Beach, California, this Scout is an exciting opportunity for anyone looking to restore a classic off-road vehicle. To learn more, check out the link in the description. Number 5. Introducing the 1962 Buick Special, a unique and stylish classic that stands out with its distinctive design. With 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle was the first Buick to feature a V6 engine. It runs and drives but requires a tune-up, new tires, and floor pan repair to be fully roadworthy. The car's pink exterior and tan interior give it a bold, eye-catching look, making it an ideal project for restoration enthusiasts. This Buick Special offers a perfect opportunity to revive a piece of automotive history. Priced at $3,000 and located in Lincoln, Nebraska, it's a fantastic choice for someone looking for a unique restoration project. For further details, please visit the link in the description. Number 6. Introducing the 1963 Chrysler Valiant Lujo, a stylish and rare convertible classic that's sure to turn heads. This beauty has driven 60,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The car stands out with its striking white exterior, complemented by a vibrant red interior, creating a perfect contrast. Powered by petrol, the Valiant Lujo has a clean title and a clear history, with no significant damage or issues. It's in excellent condition, with an impressive sound system and flawless performance. Whether you're cruising around town or showcasing it at a classic car event, this Chrysler is ready to be enjoyed. Priced at $9,000 and located in Lockford, California, this Valiant is a perfect addition for any classic car enthusiast. To explore more about this stunning piece of automotive history, check the link in the description. Number 7. Next up is the 1963 Ford Thunderbird Sport Coupe 2D, a timeless classic with a beautiful turquoise exterior and only 68,000 miles on the odometer. This Thunderbird features a 390 engine and an automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and powerful ride. The interior is in excellent condition, with a sophisticated black finish that enhances the car's luxurious appeal. The Thunderbird was previously owned by only 2 families, and it comes with its original chrome trim, manuals, and even the front seats ready for reupholstering. While this car is a solid project, it requires some paint and bodywork, as well as brake repairs. With its immense potential, this Thunderbird offers a fantastic opportunity for restoration or a custom touch. Priced at $10,000 and located in Phoenix, Arizona, it's a must-see for Thunderbird enthusiasts. For more details, follow the link in the description. Number 8. Introducing the 1964 Cadillac DeVille Coupe 2D, a classic blue-on-blue cruiser with only 45,000 miles on the odometer. This iconic car is powered by a 455 Oldsmobile rocket motor and features an automatic transmission. Recent upgrades include a 4-wheel disc conversion, with the rear installation pending, and a new master cylinder. While it runs and drives, it still needs some TLC, including window motor replacements and minor floor repairs. With a clean title, this Cadillac is an excellent option for any classic car enthusiast looking for a restoration project or a reliable weekend driver. Priced at $7,000 and located in Springfield, Ohio, this DeVille Coupe offers great potential. For more information and additional details, check out the link in the description. Number 9. Next up is the 1964 Chrysler 300, a sleek and powerful classic with a 383 big block V8 engine and a rebuilt transmission from 2012. Having driven only 27,000 miles, this car is equipped with glass-back exhaust, a new carburetor, and original components like hubcaps and a spare tire. While it runs and drives well, this Chrysler will need brake work and some upholstery updates. It also has a dent in the rear bumper and a driver's door that requires attention, but the car still stands as an excellent foundation for restoration or enjoyment. Priced at $10,000 and located in Middletown, California, this Chrysler 300 offers a lot of potential. If you're ready to restore or enjoy this sleek classic, don't miss the link in the description for more information. Number 10. Introducing the 1965 Ford F100 regular cab, a unique and stylish pickup with a 400 engine and C6 transmission. This lowered truck has undergone an axle flip in the rear, giving it a cool and distinctive stance. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, it runs well but may need a little extra detailing to reach its full potential. Whether you're a truck enthusiast looking for a fun project or a classic vehicle fan seeking something different, this F100 is sure to stand out. Priced at $6,000 and located in Tucson, Arizona, it's an exciting option for anyone looking to own a versatile and unique classic truck. For more details and inquiries, check the link in the description. Number 11. Introducing the 1967 Dodge Polara 500, rare original California car that's ready for a new owner. This classic features a 383 Magnum engine and an automatic transmission, with just 46,000 miles on the odometer. The car has minimal rust and includes key components like the bumper, headlamps, and grille, ensuring it's a solid base for restoration. While it requires some engine and carburetor work, the Polara 500 remains a reliable project for anyone seeking a full-size Dodge that still retains much of its original charm. Priced at $7,500 and located in Sheboygan, Wisconsin, this classic cruiser is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to revive a piece of automotive history. For more details, be sure to check the link in the description. Number 12. Next up is the 1968 Dodge Dart, a dependable daily driver with 79,709 miles on the odometer. Equipped with a 225/6 engine and an automatic transmission, this green beauty has new tires, a new gas tank, and a new master cylinder. While it does have some minor rust spots and filler work on the body, the Dart runs well and retains much of its original charm. It's perfect for someone seeking a classic car that's ready to be driven or restored further. With a price tag of $5,300 and located in Cabazon, California, this car offers great potential for both cruising and restoration. For more information, check out the link in the description. Number 13. Introducing the 1969 Buick LeSabre, a well-maintained classic that has been driven 65,000 miles. This car stands out with its green exterior and beige interior, capturing the essence of American luxury from the 1960s. Powered by petrol and featuring an automatic transmission, the Buick has been used for car shows and casual cruising. While the battery and some of the seat upholstery may need attention, this car is a great example of Buick's craftsmanship during that era. Priced at $6,000 and located in Highland Park, New Jersey, this LeSabre is an ideal choice for someone looking to own a piece of vintage American luxury. For more details, visit the link in the description. Number 14. Here is the 1969 Buick Roadmaster Estate Wagon 4D, a classic vehicle that offers both spaciousness and versatility. With 123,456 miles on the odometer, this wagon is a perfect restoration candidate for enthusiasts looking for something rare and unique. The car features an automatic transmission and has a gold exterior that still holds potential, despite some rust and missing title documentation. While it needs attention in some areas, the Roadmaster Estate Wagon is a solid project vehicle with the potential to become a standout piece. Priced at $3,500 and located in Missouri Valley, Iowa, this wagon is a great find for anyone interested in restoring a classic that's full of character. For additional details, please follow the link in the description. Number 15. Meet the 1969 Buick Wildcat Basic, a classic American muscle car with 99,500 miles on the odometer. This vehicle features a white exterior and a blue interior, combining for a visually striking combination. It's in good running condition and has a solid frame, although it's not in showroom condition. This Wildcat may have some wear but offers character and potential, making it a great project for someone looking to enjoy a vintage muscle car. Reasonable offers will be considered for this classic find. Priced at $3,900 and located in Sherburne, Minnesota, the Wildcat is a unique option for someone seeking a project that's ready to be driven. Check the link in the description for more details. Number 16. Introducing the 1969 Lincoln Continental Signature Sedan, a luxurious and historical classic. This car is powered by a 460 cu engine and has 76,000 miles on the odometer, having been cared for by a single owner since 1969. The car includes all maintenance records, which further highlight the meticulous care it has received over the years. Recent updates include new brakes, an alternator, and steering components, ensuring the car runs smoothly. Despite needing some minor repairs and having some rust, the car's immaculate interior and historical significance make it a standout option for restoration enthusiasts. Located in St. Thomas, Pennsylvania, this Lincoln offers a fantastic foundation for someone looking to preserve a piece of automotive history. If you're interested in learning more about this classic, make sure to visit the link in the description for further details.